Hi my friends and the seniors, welcome back guys here to this brand new video. So guys, this video is gonna be a very interesting, beneficial and also another kind of a video because guys, today we are gonna do the fun with this English language. Yes guys, and this video is gonna be a competition video. Yes, we will do the quiz competition. It's very fun to do. I will ask some questions and who will give me the question answers, they will get 1 point, and at the end who will get many points, he will or she will win a gift prize. Yes guys, if you also want to know the results, then guys watch this video till the end. The competition is also very interesting competition. So first of all, I will tell to everyone, give your self introduction, and then I will explain everyone the requirements of this. Give your self introduction.
My name is Joydeep Das. I read in class 3. My school name is Ramkrishna Ashram Vidya Mandir.
And what is your name?
My name is Devasmita Roy. I read in class 3. My school name is Shankaracharya Vidyadhar.
Give your self
My
introduction.
name is Nanda Shah. I read in class 4. My school name is Shankaracharya Vidyadhar.
And now give your.
My name is Viprati Mujumdar. I read in class 4. My school name is Shishubaya High Secondary School.
So can you give your introduction?
My name is Sonushka. I read in class 5. My school name is Shankaracharya Vidyadhar.
Give yours.
My name is Arivish. I read in class 5. My school name is Sarveshwar.
So first of all, I will understand you and I will tell all of you some requirements of this challenge. So today I think everyone knows that today we are gonna do a competition. This competition is quiz competition. Okay, so in this competition I will tell and I will ask some questions, 3, 4, 9 questions, and then if anyone know the questions answers, then everyone will raise your hand. Okay, and then after raising your hand I will ask you the answer and then you will tell me the answer. If your answer will be correct, then I will give you some points, and then at the last I will find out whose points are more than the another ones. Okay, who will have many points. Okay, and then I will give him or her a gift. Okay, and the questions are also very simple and easy question. Don't worry a lot, and I will tell to everyone that there are 3 rounds. Okay, what I said, 3 rounds in this competition. So first round is the easy round, and then the second round is a little bit hard round, and then the last round is more hard round. Okay, but I think everyone knows all of them very well. So now let's start the competition. Now I am gonna start the competition. So the competition is very nice competition. So first of all, I will ask a question from the level 1, means the round 1. So now the question is that which is our national fruit? Which is our national fruit? Do everyone know? Okay, first I will ask you that what is our national fruit?
Mango.
Okay, and you also raise your hand. So what is our national fruit?
Mango.
What is our national fruit?
Mango.
What is our national
Apple.
fruit? What is our national fruit?
Mango.
Okay, now the correct answer it is the mango. Okay, but now the wrong answer is the apple. Apple is not our national fruit. Our national fruit is mango. So who said that the mango, they will get 1 point. So Joydeep Dash got 1 point, Arohi Bishas got 1 point, Devonita Saha got 1 point, and Biprodeep Mojumdar got 1 point. And now it is the time for the next question, which is also very easy. And this question is that which is our national flower? Which is our national flower? Everyone knows. So now Devonita, say which is our national flower?
Lotus.
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 What is our national flower?
Lotus.
Which is our national flower?
Lotus.
Which is our national flower?
Lotus.
Okay, now everyone got 1 point. So I will give to everyone 1 point all. And now it is the time for the last question of the round 1, means the level 1. So this question also like the another one, that which is our national animal? Which is our national animal? Which is our national animal?
Tiger.
Which is our national animal?
Tiger. 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 Tiger.
Okay, everyone also answered very well, and the correct answer is the tiger. So that's why also everyone got 1 equal point. And now guys, it is the time for the round 2, means the level 2. And now also the questions are gonna be a little bit difficult for that. Let's start. And now guys, it is the time for the round 1, and they also don't know that the round 2 is a little bit difficult. So now let's ask them the questions from the round 2. So now the round 2 just started, and the first question from the round 2 is very interesting question. And this question is, who is the goddess of learning and education? Do anyone know? Who is the goddess of learning and education? Goddess means God. god goddess. Okay, we also celebrate many type of festivals, many type of occasions like Durga Puja, Kali Puja in our Bangalian culture. So now I want to tell everyone that who is the goddess of learning and education. Do anyone know it? Everyone know it? Like little bit, okay. Do anyone have some thinking? For that, anyone don't know the answer, so that's why I will give a little bit hints. Okay, I will give you three names, and it may be someone from the three names. Okay, Kalima, Saraswati Ma, or Durga Ma, who are gonna be the goddess of education and learning. Who?
Saraswati ma.
Okay, Devunita got another 1 point. The correct answer is Saraswati Ma. So now Devunita Saha got 4 points and she is in the upper level from everyone. The time for the second question of the second round. And this question is a little bit hard or it's also very easy. This question is that how many hours there in one day? How many hours? How many hours are there in one day? Okay, if anyone knows it, then I will ask to everyone to raise your hands. Okay, Devanita, what is the correct answer?
24 hour.
Okay, Devanita said the correct answer. It is the 24 hours they are in one day. So that's why Devanita got the another point, and it's also very interesting. And now it is the last question from the round 2, and now it is the question is that how many vowels are there in English alphabet? How many vowels? Okay, everyone knows the what is the meaning of the vowels. Yes, how many vowels are there in English alphabet? It's very easy. How many vowels? It's not the vowels, it's the vowels and the consonant. We read. Okay, Davanita, you know it. First of all, I will ask to Rajdeep.
A E I O U.
And how many? Just count them. A E I O U. How many are of them? You are very close of the answer. That I didn't say that what is the vowels. I said to you that how many vowels are there. How many means count all of the vowels that you say.
A
E I O U. How many are of them?
5.
Okay, so Joydeep said us the answer which is 5. But now I also asked Devanita, how many vowels are there?
A E I O U.
How many vowels are there? Just count all of them.
5.
5 vowels. So that's why Devonita and Joydeep they answered very well that there are 5 vowels A E I O U in English alphabet. For this, I will give them 2 points. Means Rajdeep got another point and Devonita got another point. Joydeep. And now, guys, it is the time for the round 3, and the round 3 is gonna be a little bit hard for all of them. But let's see who can answer the answers correctly and who can't. The first question from the round 3, it is that which animal has a long neck? Which animal has a long neck? So now I want to ask to you, which animal has a long neck?
Giraffe.
Which animal has a long neck?
Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe.
So that's why the correct answer is the giraffe, because giraffe has very long neck. So that's why all of them they got another extra 1 point from round 3. Now it is the time for the second question from the round 3. So now the next question it is that which animal is known as sheep of the desert? Which animal is known as the name of sheep of the desert? So I wanna ask Devashmita, what is the name?
Camel.
Okay, and now Joydeep say
Camel.
camel. The camel is the correct answer because camels are known as the name of sheep of the desert. So that's why Devashmita and Joydeep they got 1 each points. Now it is the last question from the round 3, and the last question it is a little bit hard you can say, but if you know that it will be very well from everyone. And this question is that what is our national game of India? Which is the national game of India? Which is the national game of the India? So there too there rises their hand, and now I will ask to you, what is the national game?
Cricket.
Cricket. Okay, you are a little bit closer, but what is the national game?
Football.
What is the national game?
Cricket.
So I want to say very upsetly that both of them they are wrong, because the national game of India it is kabaddi. Okay, everyone understand? National game of India it is the kabaddi. What is the game?
Kabaddi.
Kabaddi. Always remember it. It's very beneficial for everyone. It is not the cricket. It is not the football. It is not the hockey. It is the kabaddi. And now guys, it is also a very interesting point of this game, and this game winner I am gonna discuss by their numbers. So first, Joydeep Dash. Joydeep Dash got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 correct points. And then the another one is Arohi Vishwas. Arohi Vishwas got 5 correct points. Okay, and then our next contestant is Anushka Kaur. Anushka Kaur also got 3 points, but it's also very perfect for them. And then Devashmita Roy. Devashmita Roy, she got 5 correct points. So it's very well, Devashmita. And now the another one is Biprodeep Mozumdar. Biprodeep Mozumdar also got 3 points. Okay, 3 points. But now the question is that how many points she got? Means Devonita Saha. Devonita got more points than everyone, and she win the game by the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, she got and she won the game by 8 points. And now the time of the prize challenge is also very interesting challenge, and this challenge ends here. As everyone knows that our winner of this competition is the Devonita Saha. Devonita Saha, she won this competition by 8 correct points. Means she gave everyone 8 correct points. So that's why I'm gonna give Devonita Saha a gift, and your gift means your prize is a pen. So very so please clap for Devonita Saha. It's a very great for us, because we also learn a lot from this game. And I also want to share with everyone that that is also like a simple winner, but we'll not tell him a winner. But that the Joydeep Dash, he lose the game by 7 points. Okay, for only 1 point Joydeep Dash he lose the game, but will not say it that losing or winning. It is a game of developing our knowledge. Okay, so that's why I also want to give Joydeep a 1 pen, because he also played very well. So Joydeep, here is your pen. Don't worry bro, you did very well. So please clap for Joydeep. So guys, it was our game, it was our competition. I hope everyone learned a lot, and also everyone enjoyed from this video. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye. I'll meet you in the next video. Please guys, subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon, and like this video for this type of more new competition videos, more English advice videos. And guys, please comment a very motivational comment. And if you want a second part of this same challenge, then guys, please hit the target of 50 likes in this video. It will be very beneficial guys. And I want to ask a question to everyone, that did everyone have fun?
Yeah.
So guys, bye bye. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.